Welcome back. We're here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville today, and we're getting ready to walk around this 2007 Jeep Wrangler. It's got a 3.8 under the hood. Nice little V6. Pretty smooth running motor. We just did a little test drive, and you can watch the video of that by going to the last 30 seconds of this video or typing in 2007 Jeep Wrangler Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. Check out our website. We offer financing, shipping information. We also have wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And we update our website every Monday. So what we're going to do in this video is walk around this Jeep, look for any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We're going to get started up here in the front. So I noticed the plastics, they got some streaks and stuff in them where they've been faded. And the tires getting kind of low on the tread. Not too bad, you can ride for a while. This one does have a lot of little scratches and chips. And you got a little bit of rust popping up on the bottom here. You see one of the hinges there, it's got a little discoloration, some rust popping off it. A lot of little rock chips down in here. Light scratches on the door and stuff. They were probably using it like a Jeep. See some of the paint flaking off, a little rust right down there in the bottom. Looks like they changed out the gas cap, never put that back on it. A little bubbling in the paint right there and there. The top's in pretty good shape. And we have a ding right here. Coming on around the back. I just threw the magnet tag on there for the test drive. Got some bubbles popping up right below that door. Back bumper's a little faded too. Coming down this side, there's a scratch along this back end. Lots of little rock chips down on the lower part. Some rust coming through on that bottom piece too. On both sides where that railing is. Right there in the middle of this door has a big ding. Coming around the front end, it's just a bit faded. All the plastic's all faded. The grille looks pretty good. Headlights are faded as well. And then your insulation here is kind of hanging. It's missing the little clips to hold it up. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Door panel's in good shape. Weather stripping looks good. The seat's got a big old rip in it. Let's go ahead and jump up in here. We'll start checking some stuff out. There's a sway bar light on. It's unplugged. There's something wrong with the sway bar on it. You can't tell, it doesn't hurt the way it runs and drives at all. So you can actually just drive it the way it is with that light on, if that's what you wanted to do. Needs a new radio, but everything else works. Cold AC, wipers, horn, all that good stuff. Okay. I believe it's got 167,000 miles on it. Motor's nice and quiet. Smooth going down the road. Definitely check out the test drive video. That way you can see it in action going down the road. We can get you taken care of here. I did notice a little clear coat coming off on the hood. Try to get this down here. It's right here on top of the hood. A little clear coat's coming off. We'll go ahead and pop these on. Give you some undercarriage shots real quick. You can check out close to 100 detailed pictures of this vehicle at maplemotors.com. Like I said in the beginning, you could get financed and shipping information as well. Right here along the side of the hood, it's got a little bit of rust bubbling up. Let's look under this one. All right, guys, check out maplemotors.com. See all of our inventory, get finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and 100 detailed pictures. I'm getting ready to take off, go for a test drive. So be looking for that test drive video. You can catch it the last 30 seconds of every video I put out. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.